This alone gets the job done. Like, I use it for my face and for my body. It helps to even out my skin tone, and that's one thing I love the most about it. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ada. I'm a Port Harcourt YouTuber, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, thank you so much guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and let me know in the comment section as well. But if you're my OGs, thank you guys for your support, and I don't take it for granted guys, you know that, right? So if you're a newbie here, I do lifestyle videos, I do vlogs and health related videos. So sit back, relax, and welcome to this community guys. I love you guys. So without wasting much of your time, let's talk about today's topic. In today's video, I'll be talking about skincare brands and skincare products that I've been currently loving because they are doing the most for me. Like, they've taken my skin glow from 0 to say 70, 80. You see my skin? I see my skin. I see my skin. I see my skin. Like, I don't have any form of makeup on the skin, and this skin is glowing guys. That's what I'm talking about. Like, that's what I want to talk about. So first off, a few years ago I used to be one who suffered from acne, hyperpigmentations, and a whole lot of skin issues. But since I started using this brand and this product, guys, let me put it out there, this is a disclaimer that this video was not sponsored in any way. I bought this product with my hard-earned money, and because I love what they are doing on my skin, I decided to come on here and share with you guys. Nobody sponsored this video, but I'm open to, I'm open to brands reaching out to me with their products, and we can, like, you know how we do it here. Anyways, without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video. So here I'll be starting off with this skin products. This particular one, it's called the Sprouting Milk goat milk and honey soap. Guys, I've used this soap for 3 years. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Like, sincerely speaking, this is the best soap I've ever used. It's cold processed soap. It's not the usual 7 days quick action. Usually what I do every day or every morning, because I use it morning and night, what I do in the morning or at night is I just rub it all over my face, like massage it properly, and then use a bath sponge or a bath gloves and then rub it all over my body, my face. It doubles as, I really don't use any other soap for my face. This alone gets the job done. Like, I use it for my face and for my body, and that's one of the reasons why I love this brand, because they will tell you that whatever they are giving to you, it's usually for both body and face. So you don't have to go the extra mile of buying an extra soap for your body and then another one for your face. This is just what I use for both my body and my face, and it does an amazing job. This goes for 2,000 naira on their page. I don't know, maybe because of inflation, if the price has increased, but the last time I bought it from this brand, it was sold to me for 2,000 naira. Maybe you can check them out. But this soap, if you have hyperpigmentation, if you have black spots as a result of acne, you have any skincare, any skin related issue, this is the soap you should try. If you also have dry skin, because I used to have dry skin, then I recommend you try this soap because it's an amazing soap. Going forward to the next product, which is this toner from Yves Rocher. I don't know how they pronounce it. I'll put their name up on the screen. It's called a brand. What they do is solely plant-based products, and I love this toner because for the longest of time I was not one to use toners, but using this toner I've seen a whole lot of difference because my face is a lot better. I'm not just saying it for saying it. Like, this is my real face. This is what my face looks like. So it's an amazing product. Like, it's quite expensive. This is 8,000 naira, but I think it can last you for the longest time depending on uses. I use this in the morning and at night, and guys, it's been doing amazing thing for me, and there's no regrets. Like, I don't have any regrets buying it. Then going forward to the next skin product I use on my face and my neck is a Dang Hydrating Serum. Guys, this serum is amazing. Like, it takes a whole, I don't know what's like, I cannot tell what they put in here, but since I started using this brand, this serum, I noticed that it helped to even out my skin tone, and that's one thing I love the most about it. And how I use it is that once I'm done bathing, I just put a few drops on my face, massage it in, and then leave it for a few minutes, sometimes 5 minutes. On days I'm in a hair, 2-3 minutes, and then it dries up. Immediately it gets into my skin, I just go to the next product. This is an amazing product. It is called the Collagen and Hydrating Serum, and guys, it is doing the most for me. Moving up to the next skincare product, which is my absolute favorite at the moment. I'm loving this skincare product because of what it has done and how far it has taken my skin within a space of 3 months from zero. Like, I used to have very bad skin. If you saw my videos from my Lagos trip, you will know what I'm talking about, because that trip I became darker. I had a lot of acne because of Lagos water, but this skincare product just moved my skin. In fact, let me not talk too much. It moved my skin from 0 to 100, and that's the vitamin C serum. It does the most for me. I saw a lot of reviews on this product. That was why I had to buy it. I've tried a lot of vitamin C serums, and I can tell you this is my absolute favorite, and it's even a lot cheaper compared to other ones I've also tried. See, this is how it comes. I don't know if you can see it, and this is what it is. This serum comes in an oily form, so tell me, like, at first I was skeptical about using it because I have very oily skin on my face especially, and I was wondering how is it possible to treat this acne, to like improve my skin texture with oil. I was very skeptical. I was scared of what the effect is going to look like. I was scared if my skin will be able to breathe, if my skin will be clogged, if my skin will break out, a whole lot of concerns. But immediately I started using this, guys, I just knew that I've come to the last bus stop at the moment. Yes, vitamin C serum doing the most for me. Guys, take a look at my skin. I don't know if you can see it. This is what my skin looks like. I don't have any form of foundation on. I don't have any form of makeup or anything. This is just what my skin looks like on a normal day. When I started using this, people started complimenting me. Your skin is beautiful, and it helped blend my face with my neckline, because I used to have my face look way darker than my body. No matter what I try, my face will always look darker than my skin, and I don't know why. So, but since I started using this product, it has taken my skin glow to another level. It helped take out the black spot I used to have on my face. It also helped with hyperpigmentation, because I know I suffered a lot from it. So if you're one of those who has hyperpigmentation, you have dark spots all over your face, you're looking to blend in your skin tone on your face with that of your body, this should be your go-to. I swear, and I absolutely love this vitamin C serum. It's my favorite, guys. Like, it's my favorite. It's my fave. It's my fave. It's my fave at the moment. Yeah. It's my fave. Moving on to the next thing on my list will be my face and body cream. Like I told you before, that Sprouten New is a brand that deals with both. They cater for your face and your body at the same time. You can't buy their product and start using one for your face, one for your body. No, whatever product they give to you does same job for your face and for your body, and that's why I've been using it. This is their body lotion. The last time I bought it was 5,000 Naira, but I think their prices has gone up to 5,500 at the moment. Guys, if you are not using this body cream, because this same face cream I use is so milky. Let me go open it. is very milky and very moisturizing. Like, this is what I use every blessed day on my face, on my body, and I get same results, same amazing results. This is very beautiful. So if it's something, if you're on a budget, you're not want to look out for creams that will take you 7 days or 15 days or 20 days to go from shade 1 to shade 20, then this is a brand you should try. Every ingredient that was used for this body cream was done with plant-based ingredient. And guys, this is the truth. I've been using it and I can tell you that it does an amazing job. Like, it's very hydrating, also helps with dry skin. So if you have dry skin or flaky skin and you're looking forward to getting your skin glow up, this is a brand you should try. Another thing on my list will be this is their face mask from Spartan New as well. This face mask is one of the things I use. I'm not consistent with it because of the kind of job I do, so most times I do like once in a week or twice in a week on days I remember. This mask here has a combination of different things. I think there's kaolin clay, there's bentonite clay, there's a whole lot of clay and different things, turmeric and co in this clay. So it also helps with hyperpigmentation also. So most times what I do is I just mix mine with water or honey. I prefer honey because honey leaves my face very hydrated. So I take 2 tablespoons of this clay, mix it with water or honey depending on what I'm looking for at the moment, and then apply it all over my face. Once that is done, I leave it on. The recommended usage is that you leave it on for like 10 to 20 minutes, but guys, I want to get the best benefit, so most times I leave it on for as long as 1 hour while I do other things. Once I'm okay or satisfied with how moisturized my face is, I feel like my face has absorbed enough ingredient from this mask, I wash it out and then I go in with the vitamin C and hydrating serum. That is what I do on a regular basis. That has helped my skin even out. And guys, I'm loving this product. These are just the products that I just wanted to come on here and share with you guys. These products that I've been using that has been doing the most for me, and I hope you love it. If you want to check them out, you can check them out on Instagram. I think they are on Instagram, so I will leave their names on the screen so you can go check them out, and also I will leave their links in the description box as well. Like I said initially, this is not a sponsored video. This is products that I've used and I'm still using that has done the most for me, that has taken my skin glow from 0 to 100, and I'm loving them. So I decided that it won't be a bad idea to come on here and share with you guys, just in case there is anybody out there who is also feeling like their skin is not getting the most. Maybe you can try this brand, and let me know also in the comment section what you think about them. Have you tried them as well? Let me know in the comment section. Do you know about them? Let me know in the comment section, because currently they are the most amazing skincare products I've used so far. Like, I'm not one to use a skincare product for too long, just because along the line I will discover maybe something is not working out and then I go to the next one. But these are products that I've used for the longest time and I absolutely love them. So go check them out and let me know in the comment section. Do you have any friends and family members that are having skincare issues? Guys, it won't be a bad idea to share the link with them so they can go try out this brand, and let me know in the comment section. And this brings us to the end of our videos. I'll see you guys. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to let me know your opinion in the comment sections. I will see you guys in my next videos. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. Skin be popping. Bye.